Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. I normally don't get too excited about a video, but I'm excited about this one. To me, it's a game changer, the way I do things. I was trying to help somebody draw this and I still haven't figured it out. And I've often even wanted to contact Corel and see if they could help me with this. When you want to rotate this around the center of the page, if you double click on it and get the rotation, you have to move it. And sometimes it looks like it's there and it actually is. And sometimes you're off and you have to remove it. And I thought, so I started playing around with it this morning thinking there's got to be a way to do it. You know, maybe holding down the shift key or the alt key when you hit P, but that doesn't work. So if we do it now, it's going to rotate around that part. But I want it to rotate around the center of the page. So what you can do is go to Tools, Options, Customization, type in Center, and go to Center of Rotation, and hit OK. There's no short key. I'm going to add a short key, and you can make yours anything that's not being used, but I'm going to make it simple for me because P is in the center of the page, so you can't use that. So I'm going to use alternate P, and I'm going to hit assign. I'm going to say go. Now, when I click on this and I go alternate P, I come up with the numbers. My laser bed is 40 by 28, so half of it is negative 14. The other half should be 20. All I have to do is type in 20 and watch this. Double click on the rotation. It's in the center of the page. Now I'm trying to work on a way that could be like a standard, but right now I just love it because it can alternate P. You come up with that, and then you could rotate it around the center of the page. To me, it's a game changer because I rotate almost daily something around the center of the page. Anyway, I hope that helped just a little bit, and thank you for watching.